900 Basic English Conversational Sentences. Lesson 52. At the Office. Dialogue 1.
Are you new here? Yeah, I just started yesterday.
Welcome, I'm Jack.
I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
What are you going to be working on?
I'm going to work on the planning team, but I haven't started yet. I'm still in training.
The planning team is great. Our marketing team works with them closely. We'll end up working together sometimes.
That's great. Oh, can I ask you some questions?
Sure.
Do you know any good places to eat around here?
Yeah, there's a restaurant right down across the street. It's pretty good.
That sounds good. Thanks for the info.
No problem.
Dialogue 2.
I can't get the printer to work.
Did you check to see if it had paper?
Yeah, that's the first thing I checked.
I don't know then. You might have to call the technician.
Lesson 53. At the bus stop.
Dialogue 1. I want to get on the bus already.
It just isn't on time today.
I should have been here 30 minutes ago.
It should be coming soon.
I hope so, because I'm really late for work.
I hate having to take the bus every day.
So do I. You can never count on public transportation.
Exactly. Dialogue 2.
I would like to get a bus pass.
What kind of bus pass would you like to buy?
Can you tell me my options?
There are day passes, weekly passes, monthly passes, and student passes.
I would like the student pass.
Could I see your student ID, please?
No problem. Here you go. How much does this pass cost?
$15.
Lesson 54. At the airport. Dialogue 1. Good afternoon. Where are you flying to today?
Los Angeles.
May I have your passport, please?
Here you are.
Okay, please place your bag on the scale.
Okay.
Here are your boarding passes. Your flight leaves from gate 15A and it'll begin boarding at 3:20. Your seat number is 26E.
Thanks.
Dialogue 2. Here's my ticket.
Please step through the scanner.
What's wrong?
Please step to the side.
Okay.
Do you have any coins in your pocket?
No, but I have some keys.
Ah, that's the problem. Put your keys in the bin and walk through the scanner again.
Okay. Lesson 55. At the railway station. Dialogue 1.
I'd like a ticket from Sydney to Melbourne for the 18th of November, please.
Single or return?
Single, please.
First class or second class?
Second class, please.
Do you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
Window seat, please.
Your name, please?
Mike Smith.
That's $120.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your ticket and receipt. The train leaves at 6:15 in the morning. You need to be at the station 30 minutes before.
Thank you.
Dialogue 2.
Which platform for London, please? Platform 1. What time does it reach London? You should be there at 11:31, but you may be a bit late.
Lesson 56. At the Disney theme park.
Whoa, Disneyland is great. I really like it.
Look at the Mickey Mouse over there. It's so funny.
Mom, I want to go on the roller coasters.
Roller coasters are your favorite, I know.
We will go on the roller coasters.
What do you want to do, Lisa?
I want to go on the Ferris wheel.
We will do that too.
Wow, Freddie, there are so many roller coasters. I know. How will we decide which ones to go on?
Well, some of them are higher than others, and some loop around. Some are faster too.
I want the fastest ones.
Okay, let's go. Lesson 57. At the gym. Dialogue 1.
Hi, are you done with this weight station? Yeah, I am. I was just trying it out. I think I must be doing something wrong. My muscles are aching already. Maybe I can help. I've been working out on these machines for a few months, so I'm pretty used to them. I just joined the gym this week. Have you thought about getting a personal trainer? When I joined, I signed up for a trainer for a few sessions, and she helps me set up a good regimen. That's a good idea. If you want help with those machines, though, I'm usually here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thanks. I'll definitely look out for you. I'm Robert. I'm Peter. Nice to meet you. I think I've sweated enough today. I'm off to the locker room. Yeah, me too. See ya. Bye.
Dialogue 2. Welcome to Cali Fitness. How can I help you? Hi, I would like to apply for a gym membership. Great, fill in this form, please. Alright, how much is the membership fee here? It's $20 per month, but if you pay the fee annually instead of monthly, you will only need to pay $200. Nice, that's reasonable. Can I work out in other locations? Yes, you can. Lesson 58. Playing sports. Dialogue 1.
Which sport do you love the most?
It's definitely badminton.
So, who do you usually play this sport with?
I usually play with my brother in my spare time.
Are you good at this sport?
I played and won a number of awards at the school club.
That's great. When you're free, let's play badminton. I am also very passionate about that sport.
Of course.
Dialogue 2. Chris, do you drive to work?
No, I go to work by bike.
Why not by car? It's a long way from your home to your office.
Well, I take it like a good sport. It helps me keep fit.
Sounds great. Do you do other sports?
Yes, I go out for a walk after dinner every day.
Walking is a good sport too.
You're right. What about you?
I'm interested in boxing. I'm going to join a boxing club. Lesson 59. At the bookshop. Dialogue 1. Can you help me? I'm looking for a book.
Sure. What book are you looking for?
It's called War.
Okay, what is the name of the author?
The author's name is John Smith.
Okay, give me a second. Let me check if we have it. It looks like we don't have the book here. Would you like to order it?
Sure, that would be great.
We can have it here by Thursday. We'll save it for you.
Excellent. I guess I'll be back on Thursday to pick it up. Dialogue 2.
Can I help you? Are you looking for something in particular?
Yes, well, first I'm looking for the foreign language section.
Oh, it's right down here. Here we are, foreign languages. What course are you taking?
About the Spanish language.
Do you need the Spanish textbook?
No, what I'm looking for is the novel we're supposed to read, 100 Years of Solitude by Garcia Marquez.
Garcia Marquez. Garcia Marquez. Oh, here it is. Here you are.
How much?
$18.
Lesson 60. At home. Dialogue 1.
Did you see the last season of Game of Thrones?
Yep, I've got to say, I'm a little disappointed. I thought it would be better.
Me too. It felt so rushed. They tried to do too much. But the special effects were amazing. I mean, that dragon scene was epic. It looked so real.
Shocking, wasn't it?
Well, now that the season is done, I need something new to watch. Any recommendations?
Do you know the film Stranger Things?
I've heard of it. Now, let's turn on the TV and watch it together.
Dialogue 2.
Have you finished washing clothes?
I've only washed my white clothes.
Could you wash some of my dark clothes with yours?
I can do that.
Do you have a lot of clothes that need to be washed?
There aren't a lot of clothes. Do you have a lot to wash?
It's a medium load. If it's a problem, you don't have to do it for me.
I can do this for you. Don't worry.
I greatly appreciate this.
Don't mention it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.